are we, Bonnie?
We're in Dumbleyoung.
And what's it famous for?
The Bluebird.
What's Bluebird?
It was a really fast boat.
We're passing through a salt lake. It's called Lake Grace. Excuse the car. And it kind of reminds me of Holy Island and the Causeway.
We arrived in Lake Grace yesterday, and one of the very first things we found was the Mission Hospital Museum. Now, this Mission Hospital Museum, this building is one of only 3 that still exist in the entire country, so we're very fortunate to be here. Inside, we toured a bunch of really cool rooms. Upstairs is where the nurses live. Those were the nurse quarters. We went inside the laundry room, which would have been boiling in the summertime and freezing in the winter. So right now it was really cold. And it was really hot because not only is that room small, but there was a fire in there to heat up the water. And I do believe that the one window in that room did not open. We also went into the maternity ward, which is really neat. And this is kind of interesting, but the current hospital here in Lake Grace does not have a maternity ward anymore. People to give birth have to go to Perth or Albany, one of the bigger cities. So I'm on the balcony the deck right now, which used to be enclosed. And as you can see, we just walked through the operating room or the operating theater, and that used to be basically outdoors, well, when it was screened in.
Okay, we just left Lake Grace and we're coming across so many more salt lakes along the way. It's really nice.